Today I'm going to go out to the aviary out here at the Botanical Garden and I'll do some more photography using the Fujifilm 70 to 300 millimeter lens. This lens on the long end is a 450 millimeter equivalent, which is a good range for bird photography and especially inside of an aviary. The challenge there though is the fact that it's a 5.6 lens and I'll have to raise the ISO quite a bit to go ahead and have a shutter speed that I can keep fast enough to go ahead and try to capture these birds and not be out of focus. So my settings in there will be to set the ISO high enough where I can have a shutter speed close to 2,000th of a second, and the aperture will always be at 5.6 because that's as wide as I can go with the 70 to 300 millimeter lens. I'm going to go ahead and use the bird eye autofocus tracking for the photos in hopes that it performs well. It's always a challenge in there because even on a bright sunny day, the lighting in there is not the best. I'll have an opportunity where the birds are being fed. That creates for some good photo opportunities. It's close to feeding time. I hope you guys enjoy these photos inside the aviary. I ask you to please like and subscribe, and I thank you for watching.